Hey guys, it's Growing Up Alina. Today I am here with my little brothers Ben, that's Ben, and Jay. And guys, where are we going right now?
To get a new puppy.
Are we?
Yeah.
Okay guys, super crazy. So
We can
the person who I got Twix from is meeting us actually at Palm Bay, which is an hour and 40-minute drive, so almost 2 hours. Totally worth it though, because we are picking up a puppy, which is Twix's brother. So we're just super excited. You guys excited?
Wait, Twix have a brother?
Yeah, it's Twix's brother. Crazy, huh? Anyways, we're gonna make the hour and 40-minute trek now, and we will see you guys once we get there. So Mom, tell us, where are we now?
We are at Palm Bay.
We just got off the exit. She's not here yet. We're meeting at Wawa, but right now we're gonna go get the kids something to eat just because it's around dinner time. And then after that, we're gonna head back to Wawa and pick up the puppy. We actually just pulled up. Super excited. I think she's running a little late. Alright, so we are here. We're getting the puppy. He's so cute from what I can see.
But he's really dirty. He has poop all over him.
Oh no! Yay! Aww! You see the puppy? You see your puppy? You guys excited?
Yeah. That's a good name.
Hey puppy! See puppy? He's so happy. That is, yeah.
Fruit all on his face.
The puppy is in here. He is down here. So the puppy, if you guys didn't hear the name before, is named Dakota. Lukey's eating right now, and I believe we're gonna head home, and I'll record everybody's reaction once we get there. Hey puppy. Hi, so cute. Hi. Where you going? What are you doing? Sorry for the bad video quality, but we just made it home and it is 8:30 at night, and the time change definitely has us all messed up. So puppy's home. We're gonna go inside, see my little brother's reaction. I think he might be coming out to take him out of the car, but here, let's see.
What's her name again?
It's a boy. His name's Dakota.
Yeah, we named it.
Yeah.
Dakota.
He loves you.
Even me. Ricky. I know what's on more back.
So little.
There's poop on here. Ricky, poop on here. Like a puppy. Oh. Twinkie, you got your best friend. Stop it out.
Oh, look at all the puppy. Hi, baby. Baby. Alright guys, so that was the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, tickle that notification bell please, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.